Alright, so this is the road to the MNC land, or used to be Pan Pacific, or I can say this is the Tram Hotel. Ooh, let's see how it is now. This is the main road to enter the Tram Hotel. I know that when it was 1990s or at the beginning of 2000, it was so famous. So yeah, as you see, this is now is MNC land. The owner is MNC, one of the Indonesian richest Indonesian entrepreneur. So now we are going to the new spot for watching sunset, which is I don't know, it's becoming a hype nowadays in Tabanan. Also the road is more solid and can be accessed by the car. So we have to going up for parking.
Oh. He sent us here because we have a Jimmy. Alright, we arrived. By the way, yo, what's up, world? Anyway, we park our Jimmy somewhere on the middle of the field, and behind us is the, I think this is the ex-Nirwana Hotel, or now the land of Donald Trump. However, that's how it is. Quite many cars, quite many people. About 1.5 hours before sunset time. As you see, still very bright, and we will show you around. I took my drone with me, so I will fly a little bit and we will see. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this. Here is the Tanah Lot Temple and the beach over here. I make a vlog here, literally in this spot where I am now. Few months ago, and was nothing here. Now is the sunset point. That's really Tanah Lot Temple. So over there is the Tanah Lot Temple, and if you watch my vlogs, I used to walk when it was low tide over here. There are two rocks and there is the beach, and I walk here actually where I'm facing now, right here, half year ago, and was nothing here. Maybe I will link the vlog in the description below. You can check this, how this area, this land has developed in the past few months. That was not even half year ago. By the way, here behind me is just the sunset point, when you can straight forward watching the sunset from the edge of the cliff. But they are like a kind of gang of Harley Davidson arrived there, about 20 of them they allowed and everything, and basically they reserve all the spots, so I cannot go to show you. And yeah, that's how it is. Bali reality. Harley Davidson, if you own Harley Davidson in Bali, you are the boss. Should I buy one? No, I don't think so. But that's how it is.
Okay, so I just spoke to the, I think that he is just one management of the MNC, this, I mean the owner of this one. And then I asked how is the progress of the hotel, because we know that this hotel is they demolished and then they're gonna start build a new one. But they said that Ibu, they already demolished all the hotel, but some buildings are still, but mostly yeah, they demolished. But they don't know when they gonna rebuild the brand new building, because yeah, during this pandemic, and also they have, I think that they have an issue with the, because they wanna build something luxurious. I don't know, that actually that I heard that something luxurious. Trump wanna, you know, like how the Trump style is his hotel, right? Very luxurious, casino or something like that. But I didn't think that they got license or permit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Really, I don't know that much about it, but yeah, I think until now they don't really build anything. As you see, like behind me there, you see something that already demolished, but yeah, nothing happened.
So we decide we're gonna explore a little bit of the land here. This is actually the area of the old hotel, as Winnie said, and like I said already, I make a few vlogs before, and there is the old abandoned excavator there. As you can see, I will zoom it a little bit for you, so that's the proof as I was making a vlogs here. But I never been actually in this spot, because I don't remember this little bit of abandoned wall just next to the cliff. Looks nice. So they are ruins of the fence just facing the beautiful cliffs. and I think I wanna have a picture with the excavator over there. And they are the buildings of the old Nirwana Hotel. I think this place where I'm now, that was already the one of the buildings of the hotel, because it's so many concrete here and seems like a fundaments here. And also they left the excavator over here, what I wanna have a picture with. But anyway, I will show you around. So yeah, definitely, as you see over there, actually, that was something, that definitely was the building here, but they demolished already many years ago. So sad. So sad. That was actually a beautiful hotel I saw on the on internet somewhere. I was Google about that. That was really beautiful, and many of you who stay here, you have a great memories in this place. But well, unfortunately, nothing left except this excavator. It actually looks like a kind of fresh job. It's like really they do something not so long ago, but seems like they broke the, I forgot the name of this, but yeah, that's how it looks. It is sad at the same time, walking on the place where was the hotel, and now it's something like that, and it's no further big future for this. There looks like was kinda. So here was the big piece of concrete, whatever it was here. Big stones, by the way, also. And there at the front, I will zoom it a little bit for you, and there are still some villas or building of the resort what left. So we are walking here, and I just realized as that was the swimming pool over here. I think so, because yeah, that's looks like it makes sense.
I don't know why. Walking in the abandoned building like this, I feel like there are lots of python snakes watching me. I don't know, just like a feeling. Let's go then.
Oh my god. Whew. So tiring walking here, but actually we are walking on the X golf course, like I said, because I saw pictures exactly from this point behind us as people facing the Tanah Lot Temple and playing the golf. Probably my friend Desmond, what you saw, the American guy who is driving the cabriolet.
This is maybe if open, you will play here.
Or you just buy the land from your friend Donald Trump and build the course. Don't forget to invite me for making the video. I don't know, I step on something that will be cool. Anyway, that's how it looks. So that was huge area. I will fly drone and you will see the beautiful shots from this area now.
Greg Norman himself, that wraps around the resort like a gorgeous green glove. The resort is heaven for couples looking for a romantic escape. And if you like your golf, it is simply unbeatable.
bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Taking me down. Taking me down. Alright, chilling after flying. Check this out. Actually quite busy right now here.
Well, actually, that the people are here. I think 90%, 99% are locals.
99. I'm only one Bulek here to
Only
be honest. I
1%
didn't saw anyone yet.
Okay, as you see, like I think this is the hidden gem or the spot where you can still watch a beautiful sunset and beautiful Tanah Lot Temple, but not coming from the Tanah Lot Temple side.
It's up. Yeah, but honestly, look at this. So many people, and the sunset gonna be over there in the Tanah Lot, and so many people around. As you see, even there where I was talking, when I arrived, was by myself. And check this out. So busy, really busy. Yeah, that's good. That's good. By the way, I forgot to mention the entrance to this place is for free. We didn't pay anything. Just buy the coconut and cola for 30k. That's it.
20k, 10k.
Yeah, 20, 10. Free access of the sunset overlooking the Tanah Lot. Pretty cool place. Unfortunately, will be no sunset today over the Tanah Lot. As you see, I think even it's gonna be rainy over there. So I think that's the time for us. Alright, so behind us is beautiful Tanah Lot Temple, and that's how it looks, the situation here.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Tanah Lot Tabanan, Pan Pacific area or MNC area. Thank you for watching and
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya, take care guys.